In part 2, we will start with multiple choice questions MCQ with detailed answer. For example, we are trying to just show you how to prepare and get successful. So I made some of them. You are requested to do your own, so that in the process you will read all the things and you will get acquainted with every facts. So first of all, first question is, what is the primary feature of the democracy? Choice is A. Rule of single individual, rule of military, C. Rule by elected representative, D. Rule by religious group. Answer is C. Rule by elected representative. For this explanation is this: in a democracy, the government is formed by the individuals elected by the citizens, ensuring that the rulers are accountable to the people. Okay. Next question is, which of the following is not a feature of a democracy? Free and fair election, protection of human right, rule of law, rule by a dictator. Answer is rule by dictator. Explanation is this: democracy is characterized by free and fair elections, protection of human right, and rule of law. Rule by a dictator contradict the principle of democracy. Third question is, why is democracy considered better form of government? Number one, it allows for the concentration of power. B. It ensures accountability and representative. C. It suppresses individual freedom. It promotes inequality. B. It ensures accountability and responsiveness. Explanation of this is this: that democracy is valued because it ensures that the government is accountable to the people and responsible to their needs, promoting equality and individual freedoms. This was 2 or 3 MCQ, and now I will just show you how to write short answer if asked. Then what you will write? If questions is define democracy, answer would be: democracy is the form of government where rules are elected by the people. Second, it ensures that the final decision making power rests with these elected by the people. Democracy involves that the protection of human rights, the rule of law, and active participation of citizenship political process. Second question, list 2 merits and 2 demerits of democracy. Answer is merits: ensuring accountability and responsiveness of the government, protects human right and promotes equality. Demerits is decision making can be slow due to the need of consensus. Second is risk of instability if there is frequent change in leadership. Okay, now we will see at least one long answer questions with key points. Explain the feature of democracy. Answer: fair and fair election. Citizens have the right to choose the leader through regular, free and fair elections. Majority rule with minority rights. While the majority decision prevails, the rights of minority are protected. Protection of human rights. Democracy is safeguard the fundamental right and freedom of individual. See rule of law. Everyone, including leader, is subject to the law. Separation of power, the division of government into distinct branches to prevent the concentration of power. Second is discuss the importance of democracy. Answer: legitimacy. Democracies derive their legitimacy from the consent of the governed. Accountability. Elected officials are accountable to the people and can be removed from the power through elections. Transparency. Democratic governments operate openly, allowing citizens to be informed about government election. Participation. Democracies encourage active participation from citizens in political process. Next is conflict resolution. Democracies provide peaceful means to resolve conflicts and differences. This type you will have to prepare. This was just a running hand question answer. ठीक है ना, you will have to prepare it carefully I was just trying to give you a acquaintance with the questions. Detailed we will provide later on. Sometimes it is coming to our notice that some people are asking NCERT class 9 political textbook. It has two parts: democratic politics first by NCERT, democratic politics 2 by NCERT. If you are not fail to understand everything from the NCERT, there is reference books for further reading. Indian Polity by M. Lakshmikant, Introduction to the Constitution by Constitution of India by the D.D. Basu, Indian Polity for Civil Services Examination by M. Lakshmikant. Okay, and Constitution also written by Subhas Kashyap. That's also a good book. And any book where you will find, you can first chapter ends here. Second we will give you in next couple of hours, so be ready. First you get it noted whatever I provided in video, and after that we will start under the same book second chapter. Okay, please subscribe, like, share. All the best. Thank you. Get successful. All the very best. Thank you very much.